Good morning, students. This is Shashi here. So earlier we have dealt with the question up to 5. Now today we'll deal question number 6 and few more questions. Okay. Now this is your question number 6. 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 1. So this question we are going to solve. So what is your question? Question number 6. 6. So it is given 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 and its whole to the power, how much it is given? Minus 1. So BODMAS rule you must have studied in your junior classes. So we are going to follow that. So first of all we'll solve these brackets, small brackets. So 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. So it will become how much? Minus 1 is there. So to make the exponent from minus to plus, we have to take its reciprocal. 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. So it will become 3 by 4 to the power 1. To the power 1 means 3 by 4 only. Suppose 2 to the power 1 means what? 2 only. 5 to the power 1 means what? 5 only. So like that 3 by 4 to the power 1 will 1 only, minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 means what? Exponent is minus here. So we have to take its reciprocal. So it will become 4 by 1 to the power, again it will become 1. So it will remain 4 by 1 only. And now its whole power is minus 1. Okay. So first of all we'll solve this bracket part. Then overall its exponent is minus 1. We'll see that part overall. Okay. Now 3 by 4 minus 4 by 1 to the power whole to the power minus 1. So we have to take the LCM of 4 and 1. It will become 4 only. This is the matter of class 5 only. So so it will become how much? 4 4 1 1 into 3. Here we'll get 3, and here how much we'll get? 4 divided by 1 will get 1. 4 into 4 will get here 16, and its whole power is minus 1. So overall how much will get? 3 minus 16, how much will get? Minus 13, and minus 13 by 4 whole to the power minus 1. Now look at here, whole to the power minus 1 we are getting. Okay. So here exponent is minus. So what we have to do? To make it plus, what we have to do? We have to reciprocal it. So overall how much it will become? 4 by minus 13 to the power. Now from minus it will become plus. So 4 by 13 to the power minus 1 will become 4 by minus 13 to the power 1. That is same number only. Power 1 means what? Same only. So 4 by minus 13 we can write minus 4 by 13. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. So now we'll solve question number 7. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So what is given here? 5 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 and its whole to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1 and whole bracket. Okay. So this is your question. You can see in the book clearly. Here some problem is there in writing. No issue. Just you have to understand the matter. Okay. Now, so this is your question. 5 to the power minus 1. So exponent is minus, so what we have to do, we have to make it plus. So we have to take its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 5? It will become 1 by 5, isn't it? So 5 to the power minus 1 will become 1 by 5. Then into 3 to the power minus 1, again it will become what? 1 by 3. Okay, and its whole power is minus 1. Then divided by 6 to the power minus 1, it will become 1 by 6. Okay, in the exponent rule you must have studied in class 7 only that a to the power minus 1 becomes what? 1 by a, isn't it? So you must be knowing from class 7 only. Now we have to solve this part. Inside the bracket, what is there? 1 into 1, how much will get? 1 only. Then 5 into 3, how much will get? 15. And its whole power is how much? Minus 1. Then divided by 1 by 6. Okay, so this much we have got. 1 by 15 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6. Now further you can solve. Now this part. Now this part, 1 by 15 to the power minus 1. Look at here, again exponent is minus 1. So to make it plus, what we have to do? We have to take its reciprocal. It will become how much? 15 by 1. 15 by 1 means what? 15 only. Then divided by 1 by 6. So this division sign will change into multiplication sign and will take its reciprocal 1 by 6. It will become 6 by 1 means 6 only. So 15 into 6, how much will get? 90. So this is your final answer. I hope it is clear to you. Now come to question number 8, second part. Okay, we'll see this question now. So what is given here? 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, now we'll try to solve this part. 2 to the power minus 1. Just now I told you a to the power minus 1, what does it become? 1 by a. Similarly, 2 to the power minus 1 will become what? 1 by 2 into 3 to the power minus 1. It will become 1 by 3. Then divided by 2 to the power minus 3. So in class 7 also you must have studied about this part, that a to the power minus m, what does it become? 1 by a to the power m. It's reciprocal. This minus exponent becomes plus how? By taking its reciprocal, isn't it? So same way it is given here, 2 to the power minus 3, it will become what? It's just like this, a to the power minus m, it becomes 1 by a to the power m. So it will become 1 by 2 to the power 3. This much it will become. Now solve further. 1 by 2, 1 into 1, it will become 1 only, and 2 into 3, it will become 6. Now divided by 1 by 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This we have to multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So overall it becomes 8. So here we'll get 8. Okay. Now further you can solve this part. It will become 1 by 6 into this division sign will become multiplication sign and will take its reciprocal, that is 8 by 1. 8 by 1 means 8 only. Okay, so 8 by 1 I am writing here. Now this can be cancelled. 2 3 is a 6 and 2 4 is a 8. So overall answer how much will get? 4 by 3. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now we'll see the next question. Now we'll see this question. Question number 8, third part. Okay. So what is your question given over here? It's given 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 then plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. This is your question. Okay, now look at here. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. So here exponent is in minus. To make it plus, what we have to do? We have to take its reciprocal. It will become 2 by 1. 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Better to write only 2 only, isn't it? So I am writing 2 only. So 2 to the power, now from minus it will become plus 2 to the power 2. Then plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. So again here exponent is in minus. To make it plus, again we have to take its reciprocal. It will become 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 I am taking 3 only. 3 to the power, now minus 2, its exponent will become plus 2. Then plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So again here exponent is in minus. Again its reciprocal will take. It will become 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4 only. And from minus it is becoming plus. Okay. Now 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 into 2 only. 2 into 2 plus 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 into 3. Then plus 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4. So overall how much will get? 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 4 into 4 how much will get? 16. Now overall how much will get? 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 16 overall will get 29. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, and further we'll solve other questions. Now tomorrow I'll deal with these questions. Okay, so till now, till whatever portion I have discussed, go through the video and try to solve the exercise. Okay, so see you in the next class. I hope whatever we have discussed you have understood. Okay, thank you.